Hi to all. Today we are going to make chicken lollipop in Hamare style. For that we need crushed garlic, crushed red chilies, all-purpose flour, corn flour, soya sauce, tomato sauce, Szechuan sauce and some chicken pieces. Now let us start the process of making chicken lollipop. So take a bowl, add 4 to 5 spoons of all-purpose flour, then add 2 to 3 spoons of corn flour. Add salt as per taste. Then add water. Mix it well. So our batter is ready. Now dip our chicken pieces into this batter and fry it in a very hot oil at a high flame only for 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. Take it out immediately. Fry all the pieces like this. Once it is done, keep it aside. Now take a pan again, add some oil, put gas on a low flame. Now add crushed garlic and crushed red chilies. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 spoons of soya sauce and 2 spoons of tomato sauce and 1 spoon of Szechuan sauce. Fry it nicely. Now add little bit water. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour paste into it. Mix it. Now cook it until our gravy becomes thick. Now add our fried chicken pieces. Toss it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our chicken lollipop is ready. It looks so attractive and yummy. Do try our recipe and let us know your feedback. Thank you.